Hi everyone. If you live in Redbridge, Ilford or surrounding areas, you wouldn't want to miss out on the 29th of August. Excel Tutors is now officially in Redbridge. What we are doing for the last 17 years throughout London, specifically in Tower Hamlets in Newham, we are hoping to expand and continue that service towards the parents and the students that live in Redbridge. Now, Excel Tutors for the last 17 years through its four branches has been serving the community in Tower Hamlets in Newham. Now we are officially opening in Redbridge or in Ilford next to Gants Hill Station on the 29th of August. I would invite all the parents and all the students to come and join our open day on the 29th of August from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. Now we have an exciting day packed full of activities and full of freebies and offers on the 29th. If your child comes in on that day, they'll be able to take a free assessment in maths, in English, in science, and in 11 plus. Through that assessment, they'll be able to see, and you'd be able to see as a parent as well, exactly where they stand at the beginning of this new academic year, so that you can act early and you can make a tailored plan for your child. Now, on that day, there will be exclusive £50 off just for that day. So anyone enrolling on the 29th of August through our open day will be getting a one-off £50 off. As well as that, we'll be having free stationery sets giveaway and many more exciting fun-packed activities. Now, on that day, we'll have our entire team of our head of departments, our career advisors, who will be available at your service to give you what you need. That includes, as I said, free assessment, making a tailored individual plan for your child, and making sure that they are ready for the new academic year that's coming. Now, talking about Excel Tutors, what we have been doing over the last 17 years, we provide one-to-one and small group tuition. Our group size is maximum 4 students. Now, as part of that, that's something I would say differentiates us from the rest of the crowd here in Redbridge. When we did our market research, you have seen parents are sending their children to tuitions that has a group size of 6 to 10 students. Now, with a group size of 4, your child will get the individual attention and the one-to-one attention that they deserve, which unfortunately they don't get to see or achieve through their schools for many reasons. Now, as well as that, we make a tailored individual plan for each student. Now, that includes a specifically focused 12-week plan, which outlines what your child will be studying over a course of 12 weeks. With a dedicated plan and with the right support, your child will be achieving their true potential. And statistically, we have seen children coming to our tuition will or are progressing on an average of 2 grades every 3 months. Now, let's talk about our success rate a little bit. Over the last 17 years, we have maintained a 100% success rate. That includes a 98% of the students achieving grade 5 or above in their GCSEs. And we have seen 100% of our students passing their A-levels, as well as that among those students, 82% of them are progressing on to competitive Russell Group universities. That includes Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial, UCL, LSE, to name just a few. And just this year alone, 2 of our students have progressed on to study STEM subjects at Russell Group University, Oxford, which is a big achievement, I would say. Not just that, we are aware that in Redbridge, there is a specific demand for 11 plus. And we cover all 4 pillars of 11 plus. Verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, maths, English, you name it, we cover it all. And not just that, in the last 2 years, 22 out of 24 of our students have progressed on to their first choice grammar school. Your child could be the next one, so please don't miss out on our open day, which is on 29th of August from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. And if you have a friend or family member living in Redbridge, make sure to pass the message on. Our branch is located at 393 Eastern Avenue, Ilford, IG2 6LR, which is just a few minutes, I would say 1 minute walk from the Gants Hill station. As well as that, you can also catch us via buses 296, 396, 66. So save the date for the 29th of August and we'll all see you there.